Hi, in last video we have seen how to use the Django template. Now in this video we are going to see how to use the static file in Django. Let's start. Create one static folder, then create one more folder within a static folder. The name will be the CSS folder. Then create one more folder. Name will be images folder. Now I'm going to put my image in the images folder. Here you can see our images showing in images folder. Now in CSS folder, create one more file, style.css file. In this file we are going to store all our CSS related code. Now in our HTML page I am going to load our image. For that we have a tag image img. Before that we have to add our static file in settings.py file in static underscore dir. But first we have to import OS, then static underscore dir os.path.join our base directory along with our static folder, and we have to copy paste this address inside the static files underscore dirs. So just copy this static underscore dir and paste inside static files underscore dirs. This static files underscore dirs is the fixed keyword. You have to use this fixed key to pass the static underscore dir address. After that, in HTML, in img tag, we are going to pass image location. So in source, in curly bracket, static, then image location. Our image location is images slash mypic jpg. So here we have passed our image location, and we have to load our static folder. For that we have a command load static. This is mandatory. Now open the browser and check. Here our image is successfully loaded. Now you have remember we have created one more file, style.css. This file is for CSS code. So I am going to apply background color to our image or our body. So before that we have to link our HTML with the CSS file. So for that we have a tag link, and in href we have to pass the style.css location. So up to static folder we have already passed in settings.py file. Now remaining address we have to pass here. So css slash style.css. This is the remaining address. Okay, now it's done. Let's refresh the browser. Now here you can see the background color is changed. So thank you so much for watching.